I'm in Dubai Airport. I'm on my way to Wellington College in Shanghai, and I'll be doing a workshop there. So it's a long trip for a day-long workshop, all the way from Cambridge to China. I'll be starting in the morning with a session for 128 G12 and 13 TOK students. And what we'll do, we'll spend 90 minutes taking a TOK journey, looking at how we can apply the course to the real world, apply the areas of knowledge, the 12 key concepts, key TOK thinkers, and we will take a journey from an event or an issue that's happening right now, and we'll go into the TOK world to show to the students the power of the TOK course and how they can use it to take ownership of things that are going on in the world. And we will hopefully go so far as to make them question their own assumptions and their own biases about the world, to encourage them to become, as we put it, authentic critical thinkers, and bring a little more humility into their thinking about what's going on in the world, and be able to challenge their assumptions rather than confirm their biases about the world. Our second morning session will be with the TOK team in Shanghai. We will look at how to construct a great TOK course, again driven very much by real life events and issues, but also structured so that the students will be able to take on the essay and the exhibition. And then we'll focus in on those two assessment tasks, and I'll offer tips and strategies and get a dialogue going, because there's nothing that I like more than having a conversation about how best to take on the exhibition and the essay. And I learn as much as the teachers learn, and hopefully we'll facilitate a great discussion about best practice when it comes to the two final assessment tasks. And then finally in the afternoon, it'll be a faculty workshop with the whole of the school taking part. And again, we'll be thinking about that idea of authentic critical thinking, which I see as synonymous to the TOK course. And as soon as we start looking at the aims of TOK rather than the TOK course itself, people start to switch on a little bit more, and they see how they can fulfill the TOK mission. They can bring this course into their classroom. It enriches any classroom lesson that they offer, and it helps the students to become these nuanced, sophisticated thinkers. So this is a typical workshop for us. Perhaps this one we're traveling a little bit further than most, but last weekend I was in Portugal doing something similar. I've done several workshops at schools in and around London over the last month. So we're very, very busy at the moment. If you'd like us to come to your school and help you to infuse passion and purpose for TOK, really getting everyone on board and making sure that the students know exactly why they're doing this wonderful course, and teachers are not alienated. They understand the true nature of TOK, and they can bring it into their classroom. We think that we can really help you become a hub of authentic critical thinking and make TOK genuinely a central part of the learning experience for your community. Get in touch and we'll come and visit.